Good morning, everyone. So today is kayaking with the Crocodile Day. So yesterday, a little funny, Laura and I went for a walk down the beach in front of the resort here, and we always have our camera with us, or the GoPro, and of course we decided we haven't seen any monkeys the whole time, so let's not bother. And of course we saw some monkeys. So we don't have them on film, so we're hoping that today, apparently when we go kayaking, there's a little hike that we can do and hopefully spot some monkeys. If not, when we come back, we'll maybe take a walk to the same spot down the beach and grab some shots of them if they're still there. So, all right, so I'll let you guys go for now. The bus should be here any minute to pick us up, and we'll see you on the water. Okay, here we are on the water, going to look for crocodiles. This is our guide. And there's Laura. Away we go. Hopefully we'll see some monkeys as well.
But right now it's a little bit hard, but when you come back,
it'll be easier.
Yeah.
Yeah, the river mouth like 14 kilometers along. It's around like 2 hours and a half in the kayak.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Yeah, from going back. It's a good place for the shark, the bull shark.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
The bull shark is pregnant. It's coming here every year.
Is it just like any time, or is there a season for babies?
When the bull shark was pregnant, it's coming every year. It's no lie.
But is it like always December or always
Like October is the season.
October?
When they
Okay.
have little babies, yeah.
Okay.
But
Okay.
you don't go up, swim in the fresh water and come back in the ocean.
Wow.
Every year. Yeah, the bull shark is no problem when you swim in the salt water, fresh water. Yeah. In this place you see iguanas, birds, sometimes the crocodile, and little caimans.
Good.
Oh, and little caimans too.
Yeah.
How big is a caiman?
Well, 2 meters, the more
2 meters?
bigger.
Oh,
Yeah.
So it's not little.
Not little. Not like a gecko.
Not like a gecko, yeah. They can still. Does the caimans ever attack people?
No, Kira never attack the people.
No, but
So-
crocodilos can.
Crocodile, no, too.
Not in the kayak,
No.
but if I was swimming.
Never, near swimming.
Really?
Oh.
Crocodile won't attack you if you're
Only,
swimming.
only one guy, but 5 years ago, but one guy from California.
Yeah,
And the other place on the left side, you see this guy in the blue t-shirt?
yeah.
This is the place when the crocodile, when they have like a baby, eggs.
Oh, yeah.
You know, when they have the babies,
Oh, they're protective.
they are protecting the baby, yeah. But these guys, I wanna go cross on the other side for surfing to Playa Grande. But everybody, the people cross on the boat. But when they have the baby, never go close in the crocodile.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure, but the guys go very close when they see the babies.
Ah,
Crocodile attack the fish, but
Well,
kill the
sure.
guy.
okay.
Only this guy, but before, no, never.
It's beautiful. I love all this, all the roots from the trees.
This is the manglar. This is the mangrove.
Yes.
Mangrove. You wanna see the brown line in the middle?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is when it's high tide.
The high tide.
Okay.
Yesterday we came for a walk down the beach just where you were, and the monkeys were all in the trees.
Oh yeah, the howler.
Howlers, yeah.
Black monkey howler.
And of course we didn't have the camera with us at the time,
Oh yeah?
so we didn't get a picture.
We'll
No,
get a picture.
nobody's gonna believe us.
Oh wow. Yeah, sometimes you see a big group of monkeys.
Yeah.
20, 25, one family.
Oh yeah.
You first time here?
First time, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
First time.
Like it here?
Yes, yeah, it's beautiful. People are very friendly, which is really nice, yeah.
Pura vida.
Yeah, put it there. And you feel very safe here. It feels,
Yeah, very safe.
yeah. What are the in the trees? There's sometimes there's
Okay, this is the termite houses.
a termite house.
Yeah,
Oh,
termite
okay.
houses.
Are they very destructive?
Oh, for the houses, yeah.
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 People don't like it.
Yeah.
You have one bigger in your house in 1 month?
Really?
Wow.
Like my house, yeah.
Wow. But they don't destroy the trees.
Well, here no. This is the termite house. Is very good for iguanas.
Oh.
Ah.
When it's rainy season, the iguanas is sleeping in the side of the termite houses. Oh, the oldest like the bird, you know, the green parrot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The green parrot is in this house for the babies for 7 months.
Oh, wow.
Wow,
Yeah.
7 months.
And they have a free meal every day,
Yeah.
eating termites.
I want to show you one bit more bigger, very close.
Okay.
Okay.
If you guys can see the white bird there. What's it called?
White ibis.
White ibis.
This is very good.
Oh.
When it's like that, you see a lot of more here, but sometimes fishing, the little sardine.
Oh, yes, yeah.
It's a little bit like crab and sardine for eat.
There's a termite nest right up there.
This is
Look,
a
crabs on here, Richard. Look.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
sometimes the pumas attack the monkey.
Really? Wow. So there are pumas around here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow.
Do the monkeys go into the houses, try and break in to get food?
No.
No?
This monkey normally wanna eat like a fruit,
Okay.
flowers,
Okay.
but sometimes like a fresh like let's say eggs. Wanna eat like this fresh.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Howler, spider monkey,
Okay.
white face. But the more crazy is cannibal is white face.
Oh, yeah. And crazy because...
Crazy for everything. Sometimes the people go to Manuel Antonio, but sometimes the white face, sometimes go to the houses.
Oh.
Take the food, eat the food, running. Oh yeah. When it's like November, it's the season sometimes when it's swimming in the ocean.
Yeah?
Oh, okay.
But looking for girlfriend, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not tourist? Not looking for tourists?
Everybody's running. Shut up.
Yeah.
You look this flock here, but sometimes you see the night raccoon.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Raccoons sometimes crossing the other side from here swimming.
Oh, okay.
they eat the crabs, I
Eat
bet.
the crab. I
Yeah.
love the crab, the raccoon. The raccoon is crazy. When you have the baby, oh my God.
Yes, they can be.
Yeah, we have raccoons in Canada
Oh,
too.
yeah.
Yeah. They'll come right into the house.
Here in the root,
Kingfisher?
kingfisher.
He's in the roots?
Here. Now we have ready for fishing.
I feel like I'm blind because I don't see them. How do you
In the root.
see it?
In the root.
Yeah.
Right there.
Oh, I see him, yeah. Just a small little thing.
Yeah, that's small. See the kingfisher
He's about a foot on top of the water on the branch.
in the root.
Oh, there he is. Okay.
Yeah.
Good eye.
Tarantula.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen those. They are humongous.
And what
In my
about
house.
Oh, they go in your house?
Oh yeah.
and scorpions?
A lot of scorpion, a lot of tarantula and snake.
Snakes,
So,
yeah.
so when you put your shoes on in the morning, do you have to make sure there's no scorpion?
Sometimes.
Yeah?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh, look, it's moving.
Like the snake.
Why is that moving?
Like
The current.
The current
Oh,
down.
the
the
current.
root.
Okay.
There's a crocodile below shaking it.
He's fishing. It's a fish crocodile that's
Yeah,
fishing.
the
If you
root's
hold
like
that,
on the
it
tight
pulls
down,
you
it's
in.
moving.
Blue ibis.
Blue eyes, yeah.
Okay.
Perfecto, good memory, yeah.
They're beautiful, hey? I'm gonna get a picture of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's another termite house there. It's probably about, what, 1.5 meters by, yeah, even more, yeah.
The oyster, when it's open,
And then.
when one animal or something
Oh, okay.
close, I
That's-
kill it for it.
That's what you hear.
And it eats it.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know oysters ate animals.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah, they eat monkeys.
The white-faced oyster.
Yeah, and the ocean, in the ocean, sometimes when you open the oyster,
Yeah.
you see little like a shrimp, little fish.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
but no monkeys.
no monkeys.
Maybe fingers sometimes.
Oh yeah, fingers.
So for those of you who aren't into kayaking or are scared of crocodiles, you can always rent one of these tour boats here, and they'll take you around and show you pretty much what we see. Conchita tours. If you guys can see the iguana right there.
Iguana?
Okay, so now we've stopped, and we're gonna go for a walk. Hopefully look for spider or
Howler monkey.
howler monkeys.
Walking around here.
And is that an iguana or is that a?
Like this is everybody say iguana. But when you see the big rooster, it's
That's
one guy.
iguana. Okay.
When you see the big rooster, it's
Yep.
one guy.
One guy.
When you see nothing the rooster, it's one girl.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Nickname for this one, it's like a garrobo. Like a garrobo is the boy, iguana is the girl.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
When it's brown color,
Yeah.
the people's coming here, open here the hole,
Yeah.
just put it on sand and the hicaro, close right here. Lady wanna use maraca.
Ah, maraca.
Maraca.
What is it eating? Oh, that fruit.
Yeah. But you wanna eat this fruit right now, but in this area I don't have a lot of fruit, but when I'm hungry I need I need like eat like this fruit, hicaro.
Oh, it's easy to break open. Cool. Is it sweet? Is it a sweet fruit? No.
Can I smell?
It's not sweet.
Yeah, it smells
People try
Oh yeah.
like
sugar,
nuts.
sugar and everything, but not
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the people in China wanna eat this fruit.
So when it dries up, it looks like that one.
So the color brown color when it's like a strong.
Like wood almost.
Yeah, like a sandalwood, strong material.
So these here that you guys can see on the ground are all crab nests. They're all over the place.
Here in Costa Rica, in this area, there's a lot of Guanacaste tree.
Oh yeah.
You know why?
Why?
The people, I can touch this tree. So you wanna use this for the wood. The police is coming, wanna arrest you.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No problem with the police.
Would you go to jail or pay a fine?
Oh, you pay a lot of money. I wanna arrest you probably for 2 years.
Wow.
Wow.
You remember when I talked to you when you say pochote tree?
Oh, look at the pines. Yeah. Look at the size. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's crazy. The monkeys sometimes are walking here.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't know how you feel it.
Yeah.
Hands, feet.
They don't feel it.
I don't feel like nothing.
Huh.
That's a huge tree. How old would you say that tree is?
Maybe more than 600 years.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Wow, just amazing.
Yeah.
We should have brought bananas.
I need to check that out, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're looking for monkeys. Be very, very quiet. So this is a mango tree that Laura's standing beside. Look how big it is.
Well, thank you. Found a monkey.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
Good spotting. He's right up there. He's like spread eagle. He's like arms and legs all. See him? Right up there.
It's coming.
Oh, there. Yeah, I see it. Yeah. There, we found the monkey.
This is one guy. The guy says it's more bigger. See the white ball?
If you guys can see it, it's right there.
Yeah, they say the howler monkeys. The howler monkeys, when it's the more big family, it's around like 25 monkeys in one family.
Okay.
20 girls and the rest of the guy. Little cool.
Uh-huh.
You don't see too much the howler, but you see
Okay.
more spider.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's moving.
Is he moving? Hey, puppy. Hey, little guy.
Come up.
Another one.
It's moving now.
Oh, it's a horse.
The monkey.
Yeah.
A good position for the picture. Look.
Yeah. Yeah.
¿No has visto más nada monkey por ahí? Mono, más. No. Sí.
He's looking at us.
Cowboy, cowboy.
Yeah.
Cowboy. But this monkey is very important here in the area.
Mm-hmm.
This monkey, for example, when you eat like a one fruit, for example, one mango fruit,
Yeah.
they wanna eat. Or other different fruits. Sometimes when you say the other area,
Yeah.
when I do a poo,
Yeah. Oh, it's like planting seeds.
planting seed, become a new tree.
Yeah.
It's very important. the
Yeah.
monkey,
The ecosystem.
yeah. It's clear.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. All the ants come out.
The little termite bite strong.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. It's termites?
Yeah, little termite, yeah. But this little termite is living here in the
Oh my
Here in the
gosh,
hole.
look at that. And they bite.
and bites a little bit saying the scorpion.
Oh, really? Wow. Oh, is that a nest?
And this one, the other one.
Jared, is
Oh,
that
it's more fresh.
Yeah, that's a nest up
a
there. Yeah.
nest there?
That's the other house for the birds.
Oh, okay.
But this is very strong. So one gecko walk right here in the stream in 5 minutes. Bye bye. It's
Wow.
not survivor.
Oh, wow.
You see?
No. Oh. Oh, wow. That's
Look at
very
it
cool.
fold in,
Yeah.
eh?
It's sleeping.
Yeah.
When you touch
Yeah.
my hand, just sleeping.
Protect,
Try.
protects itself. Does it catch insects like that?
Yeah, like this. There we go.
Look at that, eh?
Wow. Did you get a video of it closing?
Yeah.
It's so cool.
It's sleeping when you touch.
Yeah, you can see
Yeah.
that one there.
The nickname here in Costa Rica, dormilona.
Dormilona.
Dormilona is
Sleep.
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 Yeah.
Wow. And it's beautiful.
Incredible, eh? Look at the
Yeah.
size of it.
So you can't climb that one.
No.
Patriota crab.
I don't know if you guys can see or not.
Okay.
He says, get away from me. 2 vultures up ahead. And there he goes.
There he goes. Oh, he's going after the crab. There's a crab.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Going after the little thing.
very close. But
Yeah.
you want to go very close down the water, sometimes that's scary with the people, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
So we finally saw a crocodile, or have one on film anyways. If you guys can see it. Just see his eyes poking out of the water over there. Yeah, it's small, eh? You can see him. Oh, he just went under.
Nope, okay.
Jared has spotted some more monkeys.
I see him. Up there.
There we go, yeah.
Yeah. It's 2 or 1?
2.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right up there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not.
Every year we had 2 babies.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Sometimes we had twins.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You want to see the big one in the middle? You see the
Yes.
little brown
Yes.
in the back and the curl and the
Yeah.
color for the hair. You see the alpha man, you see the boss.
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
It's a jefe.
Does the alpha male protect the baby too?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Richard primero.
Sit in the
Richard
bathtub.
gets to sit in the water.
Fresh. It's a
Yeah.
little bit wet, more fresh, no more hot.
No. I won't have to go for a swim now.
Richard, can I show you your bag?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, that's the end of the tour. This was our guy Jared with
Yeah.
Kayak
Kayak tours.
Tours Tamarindo. There's Laura.
Kayak Tamarindo.
And it was awesome. We saw lots of
Thank you so
monkeys
much for
as you
everything,
saw.
guys, and
Baby
pura vida.
crocodile.
So
Pura
I-
vida.
Shady.
Highly recommend them if you guys are planning to come here and kayak and see some crocodiles and monkey.
Mm-hmm.
He's your man.
Thank you.
All right, so this is it. This is the end of our little trip to Costa Rica. So we're just waiting for our bus ride back to the airport now, which is at 3 o'clock, I believe, and it's only 11 now. So we're just going to check out and hang around the hotel here until our bus picks us up. So had a great time. I hope you enjoyed all the different things that we've done, and if you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't done so, and feel free to share with your friends. I'd really appreciate that. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.